Welcome to The American Dream. We're your hosts, Lexi and Jake Wyer. Today, we're taking you to one of the South's most iconic downtowns, where history meets coastal charm, Wilmington, North Carolina.
This iconic riverwalk, voted one of the best in America, stretches almost 2 miles, filled with boutiques, art galleries, marketplaces, and of course, waterfront dining.
Whether you're catching a concert at the Live Oak Bank Pavilion, enjoying a glass of wine by the water, or just soaking in a Carolina sunset, this is where Wilmington truly comes alive.
And just steps away, you'll find the Wilson Center and Historic Dining Hall, bringing Broadway tours, neighborhood productions, and concerts to the heart of Wilmington downtown.
Everywhere you turn, the architecture tells a story. 18th, 19th century facades, old firehouses turned into breweries, and historic homes shaded by ancient oaks.
Wilmington is always evolving. New condos, riverfront projects, bringing new energy, blending seamlessly with Wilmington's historic roots.
You may also recognize these streets. Known as Hollywood East, Wilmington has been the backdrop for countless films and shows. From Dawson's Creek to One Tree Hill to today's hits like The Summer I Turned Pretty and The Outer Banks.
And downtown living means stepping into history. This is the Wessel Harper House, built in 1846, 4,300 square foot, and it's for sale.
Let's go take a look. The original character has been preserved, complemented by stylish updates that bring comfort and convenience for everyday living.
A special thanks to our friend Joseph Honeycutt for letting us share this piece of Wilmington history. When you buy a home here, you're not just getting a property, you're becoming part of Wilmington's living story.
From the Riverwalk to historic homes, film sets to a vibrant, ever-growing downtown, Wilmington really does have it all.
This is The American Dream. I'm Jake Wyer.
And I'm Lexi Wyer. We'll see you next time.